Welcome everyone. Sample sure questions 181 to 200 pertaining to CTS. These are the questions which were asked in previous year 2019 in CTS examination. Gargi is going on a holiday trip. She wants to pack 3 t-shirts from 5 t-shirts she has. In how many ways can she make her choice? Out of 5 objects, she need to select any 3. And we know for selection we use combination trick. 5c3 is factorial 5 by factorial 3. Factorial 5 minus 3 is factorial 2. So that is 5 into 4 by 2, 10. In 10 ways, Gargi can make her choice. If we permute 5 letters of the word mango, all letters are different. The number of permuted words with n at the second place, n should come here. So this place is fixed. Now we are left with 4 vacant places and 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. So in how many ways we can arrange 4 different objects in 4 places? It is 4p4. 4p4 is factorial 4, that is 24. If the sum of 4 times a number a and 3 times a number b is equal to the sum of number b and 7 times the number a, then what is the value of a is to b? So we have 3b minus b equals 7a minus 4a, that is 3a equals to 2b. Therefore a by b is 2 by 3. A is to b ratio is 2 is to 3. If the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 78 and 13, the product of two numbers can be, we know that product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM of those two numbers. That means product is HCF is 13 and LCM is 78. Since we need to select one from the given option, I can write this as 13. 78 is 2 into 39. That is 3 into 13. So I have 2 into 3 into 13 into 13, which fits in with option C. 20 men can do a job in 10 days, working 8 hours a day. Women are 33.33% more efficient than men. How many women will it take to finish the same job in 10 days, working 6 hours a day? Since the same job is there, we can use our formula M1 H1 D1 equals M2 H2 D2. But since efficiency is also given, we will multiply this by E1 and this by E2. So first we need efficiency ratio of men and women. Women is 33.33% more efficient than men. That means one woman is equals to 4/3 of men, or efficiency ratio of men is to women would be 3:4. If men are doing 3 units work in a given time, in that particular time women would be able to do 4 units, 1 more unit more than men. 1 by 3, 33%. So this will be the efficiency ratio of men and women. So now we can use the data here. 3 into number of men 20, hours worked 8, days required 10 equals efficiency of women 4, number of women W, hours they are working per day 6 and days they are working is 10. W equals 20. A light blinks after every 3 seconds. Another light blinks after every 5 seconds. And the third one blinks after every 16 seconds. That means they all three shall blink together at a time which is LCM of all three. 3, 5, 16 all are co-prime. LCM is 3 into 5 into 16. 240 seconds. 240 seconds divided by 60 gives us 4 minutes. How many times do they blink together in half an hour? After every 4 minutes, they will blink together. At 4th minute, then 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They will blink together 7 times in half an hour. Which is better, a successive discount of 40% and 30% or a discount of flat 70%? Let's revise the basics. To calculate the effect of successive discounts given 2 times, the net effect is given by x plus y plus xy by 100 with respective signs. Signs need to be considered. So the single effect of 40 and 30% successive discount would be minus 40 minus 30 plus minus 40 into minus 30 is 1200 by 100 minus 70 plus 12, that is minus 58%. So net effect of 2 successive discount is only 58% and flat 70% discount means 70%. Now we have 2 entities, one is buyer and one is seller. From seller's point of view, he would love to give 40% and 30% discount. Why? Because net discount offered then would be 58%. But from buyer's point of view, he would love to take 70% discount because 70% discount is more than 58% discount. Now, whose perspective it is, whether this question is with buyer's perspective or with seller's perspective, this is not clearly identified. So, answer should be can't be determined. Unless and until you tell me that the question is from buyer's perspective or seller's perspective, how I can answer this? Because from buyer's perspective, 70% discount is a good discount. From seller's perspective, 2 successive discounts of 40 and 30% is a good discount. So best answer is none of the above. A company makes a mixture which contains 2% alcohol. If 10 liters of alcohol is added to the mixture, then the concentration increases to 5%. What is the approx quantity of the mixture? 2% alcohol in the mixture. 10 liters of alcohol added. In 10 liters of alcohol present is 100%. Now when we mix these two, we get a mixture where alcohol concentration is 5%. And very beautifully, we can use Rule 6 butterfly diagram to solve this kind of question. 5 is greater than 2 and less than 100. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 100 minus 5 is 95. Now it's given 3 means 10 liters, then how much is 95? 10 by 3 into 95. 1.67 into 10 will give me 316.7 liters. And the best possible answer is 316, option B. What is the smallest square number which is divisible by 2, 4, 5, 6, 9? Let's quickly calculate the LCM. LCM would be 2, then 2, then 3, then we have one more 3 and then 5. So LCM would be 2 square into 3 square into 5. Fine. And we need a smallest square number which is divisible by this. That means multiple of this would be the smallest square, and to find the smallest square, let's raise 5 to power 2. So this is 4 into 9 into 25. 25 into 4 is 100 and 900. 900 is the smallest number which is divisible by 2, 4, 5, 6 and 9 and is a square number. A 20% reduction in the unit cost of an article enables one to buy 25 items more for rupees 1000. If you all remember rule 1, line changing rule to be used to calculate this in no time. Price goes down by 20%, that is 1 by 5. That means consumption should go up by 1 by 4. How it is working? If price goes down by A by B, consumption would go up by A upon B minus A, and then P into Q, that is expenses, would remain same. So consumption goes up by 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equivalent to 25 items purchased. That means 1 is equivalent to 100 items. Initially, 100 items were purchased. What is the original cost of the item? Original unit cost of the item is rupees 1000 divided by 100 items purchased, that is rupees 10. A water filter takes 40 minutes to filter 20 liters of water. Another water filter of same specification take 30 minutes to filter the same amount of water. If both the filters are used at the same time, if both of them are working together, we know that time required by them, if both of them are working together, is product by sum. That is 40 into 30 by 40 plus 30. 1200 by 70 minutes. To filter how much? To filter 20 liters of water. Then how long will it take them to filter 70 liters of water? 20 liters of water, time required. So for 70 liters of water, time required is into 70 by 20, 60 minutes, which is equals to 1 hour. Answer. Gargi is 1/5 the age her mother was 15 years ago. Age of Gargi is 1/5 of m minus 15 if m is the age of her mother. Gargi's brother B is 3/5 the age her mother was 10 years ago. If the sum of Gargi and her brother is 31, that means if G plus B is 31, I can add up these two and I'll get the age of Gargi's mother. So m by 5 minus 3 plus 3m by 5 minus 30 by 5, that is 6, equals to 31. Add up 37, add up 40. 4m by 5 equals 40, m equals 50 years. Which of the given multipliers will cause a number to be increased by 29.7%? And as we know, if we need to increase any number by I%, the multiplier is 1 plus I by 100. So if we need to increase a number by 29.7%, the multiplier should be 1 plus 29.7 by 100. That is 1.297. Option A. Deepti assigned 1/8 of her monthly salary for food. Deepti's total food bill for the month is 6500. That means 1/8 of the monthly salary is 6500. Her monthly salary is 6500 into 8. 52,000. What is her yearly salary? Per annum, she is earning 52,000 into 12. That comes to 6,24,000 rupees. What number should be divided by root over 0.81 to give the result as 81? So what is 0.81? 0.81 is 0.9 square. So x by 0.9 is 81. The number we are looking out for is 0.9 into 81, 72.9. We have this in option C. Option C is the correct answer. A company produces 1200 phones every day. If out of these 2% are faulty and 4% are defective in packaging, then how many non-faulty and non-defective packaged phones are produced every day? Simple. 6% are faulty. 6% of 1200, if I calculate, there should be 72. So non-faulty, non-defective would be 1200 minus 72, 1128. Answer. Gargi was supposed to multiply a number of cans sold with the price of one can to ascertain the amount earned by her. That will be revenue. Instead of taking 41 as the number of can, she wrote 14. As a result, the product went down by 135. That means 41p minus 14p is 135. What is the other multiplier? That means we are looking out for p. 41 minus 14. So p is 135 by 41 minus 14 is 27. Now 27 5 times is 135. So the other multiplier, that is p, is 5. Deepti solved the following question in a mathematics examination. Let's see what is the question. 6 by 4 plus 5 1 by 6 of 3 by 7 is in the numerator, divided by 5 plus 2 1 by 3 in the denominator. So this is 3 by 2 plus 31 by 6 into 3 by 7, 2 times 3 by 2 plus 31 by 14, LCM 14, 21 plus 31, that is 52 by 14. Now this need to be divided by 5 plus 7 by 3. 15 plus 7 is 22 by 3. So 52 by 14 into 3 by 22 should be the answer when I divide this by this. 211, 226, 213, 27 equals 13 into 3, 39 by 77. 39 by 77 should be the correct answer, but her answer is 38 by 77. By how much was her answer wrong? 39 by 77 minus 38 by 77 is 1 by 77. Her answer is wrong by 1 by 77. Ankita purchased a Walkman from her friend. cost price C. She then sold it for rupees 90, selling price 90. Had it been sold for rupees 105, the gain would have been one-fourth of the former loss. This is the indication. That means what? Initially, the selling price was at loss. That means cost price is greater than 90. So what was the loss? Initially the loss was C minus 90. One-fourth of the initial loss is current profit. Had it been sold for 105, the gain would have been one-fourth of the former loss. So current profit is 105 minus C. Let's solve it. C minus 90 equals 420 minus 4C. 5C equals 510. C is 510 by 5, that is 102. What is the cost price of the Walkman? Cost price of the Walkman is rupees 102. In how many different ways can the letters of the word optical be arranged so that vowels always come together? If we have n different objects which need to be arranged, taken all at a time, repetition not allowed, and out of which G objects are grouped together, then total number of their arrangement is given by factorial n minus g plus 1 into factorial g. Here in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 objects all taken at a time, out of which we have 3 vowels, and 3 vowels need to be coming together. That can be done in 7 minus 3 plus 1 into factorial 3 ways. 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Factorial 5 into factorial 3. 120 into 6. 720 ways. Thank you everyone for participating. These were 20 questions of CTS previous year 2019. It's Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. Thank you. I'll see you all soon.